My assignment is just a very simple one. Solidarity speech. From the front row to the last row, we are not mixed. We are proper Ikwerre ethnic nationality. It is deemed very, very necessary that the entire Ikwerre nationality will be here today, sit with you today, and express our solidarity to you for being the governor of Rivers State, a great state in the Federation. We want to thank you. You have done so much for the state. Time will not permit us to enumerate them. We want to express our gratitude to you. So far, for the entire state, you have been handling with carefulness. We want to thank you for all you have done, developmental projects. You have carried that throughout the entire state, including the entire Ikwerre nation. That is why we are here. We want to support you, do the much we can do to encourage you in this administration. Others have come. They have done their bits. This is your turn. Ikwerre people cannot sit by the side and watch the good works they are doing for the people of Rivers State. That is why we are here today, to show that we are solidly behind you. You know, handmaker? Yeah. We are not going to be by the side and watch things happening. We must make contributions. By our conduct, we must make contribution for the development of this river state. Here in Yato, we are encouraging you, don't be distracted. You know how people say, don't be distracted. Do the work you are doing. If the eyes are not seeing, the ears are hearing. So thank you very much. We are happy with you. Ikwerre people are happy with you. Thank you, sir.